In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom menu links in Google Sites. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a link to your site's navigation so visitors can jump straight to an external resource or a specific destination you want to highlight. Start by opening your site in the Google Sites editor so you're on the main canvas where you can see your layout and content. This is the workspace where changes you make in the sidebar will appear in your site's navigation automatically. Make sure you're in edit mode, not just viewing the published site. Next, look to the left sidebar and open the Pages panel. This panel controls your site's structure and what appears in the navigation menu. It's the place where you add, organize, and manage pages, and where you'll add your custom link. At the bottom of the Pages panel, click the plus icon. This is the same button you would use to add a new page, but it also gives you the option to add a link instead of a full page. Selecting a link is perfect when you want the menu to point somewhere outside your site or to a resource that doesn't need its own page. Choose the option to add a new link. This tells Google Sites that you're creating a navigation item that points to a URL rather than adding a traditional page. Now fill in the link details. Give your link a clear, concise name, the text your visitors will see in the menu. Then paste or type the destination URL. Use the full address, including HTTPS, to avoid broken links. If you're linking to a file or a private workspace, double-check that the audience you expect can access it. The menu link can work perfectly, but still show an access denied page if the destination is restricted. When everything looks good, click Done. Your new link will appear in the Pages list and will also show up in your site's navigation. If your site uses top navigation or a sidebar menu, the link will slot in automatically based on its position in the Pages panel. Before you publish, test the link. Click it from the editor's preview or directly in the navigation to make sure it loads the correct destination. If it doesn't, check for typos in the URL or access settings on the target page. Once it works as expected, you're ready to publish your site so the change goes live for your visitors. That's all it takes to add custom menu links in Google Sites. Simple, quick, and a great way to guide people to exactly what they need.